I just put this on and I stood straight up and I don't have to hold anything, which is amazing. And it's I've been told before getting it that it's life-changing, and it's hard to really fathom that, but it is. It is. I can't wait to walk like a normal person, and that hasn't happened for 2 years.
And how long would you say you had the brace on at this point?
The permanent brace, I've had it on for 4 minutes. Again, no problems with the balance at all. I have the balance I had before I had my problem.
And you're not hip hiking anymore. You're not lifting your leg up. Which was going to strain your back out.
Right. So my surgeon asked me after a year after my surgery, what was my biggest complaint, or what were my complaints? And my biggest complaint was my lack of balance. I've been wearing this for less than 20 minutes and practicing walking, and while I've got a lot of practicing to go, my balance is fixed. I don't have any balance issues with this.
All right, Lance, let's see what you can do.
So 2 weeks, this is 2 weeks, and I'm wearing it. I get up in the morning, I put it on in the morning, and I don't take it off until, not just when I get home, but sometime in the evening, so. So when I first started, Mitch, you told me to make sure, be cognizant of heel to toe with my leg that I have the device on. But I found that because it took so long and I was walking so ganked up for so long before I got the device, that I found myself focusing on heel to toe with both feet now. And that's helped me get a much more normal gait. So that's something that's really helped. Thinking the same way with both feet as opposed to just dragging this one along.
Yeah, that's great to hear.
So,
okay.
Yeah, good stuff.
Let's see if you could just walk eye level. Is that possible for you? And that's something you should try and get used to in the future, little by little. There you go.
You mean just straight
Just
up?
eye level. You don't have to look up, but just eye level. When you get, there'll be a time when you'll feel better doing that. Just little by little.
And I don't have any, I don't feel like I need to look down. I know I'm looking down some, but I don't feel, if I think about it, I can keep my head straight up and it doesn't. So I will have had my brace 2 weeks tomorrow. I'm still getting used to it, but I'm walking better today, and I still got a long way to go, but better today than I have in probably 2 or 3 years. My balance is completely fixed. I couldn't stand still without leaning on something or holding on to something or moving incessantly with bad balance before the brace. With the brace, my balance, it's like it was before I started having back problems. It's perfect, and thank you, Mitch. It's awesome. It's everything that my surgeon and Mitch, you said it was going to be, and more. Thank you.
Great, and wish you continued progress.
Yes, continue. Keep getting better and better and better, so.